Welcome to Uncommon Facts, your ultimate channel for exploring everything extraordinary. Are you ready to uncover truths and debunk myths across all realms of knowledge? From history's hidden stories to tomorrow's technology, from Earth's deep mysteries to cosmic enigmas, we dive deep into it all. Every week, we bring you facts that are as fascinating as they are rare. Dive into stories that will astonish, educate, and inspire. So make sure to subscribe and join us as we uncover the secrets of the unusual and the unknown. Here, every fact is a journey, and every story is an adventure. Join us every week as we bring you surprising revelations and strange facts that will challenge your understanding of the world around you. So hit that subscribe button, and let's start unraveling the mysteries of the universe together. Remember, every discovery tells a story, and every fact opens a door. Stay curious and prepare to be amazed. This is Uncommon Facts, where the only thing you can expect is the unexpected. Plants have long been perceived as stationary and passive organisms, but recent research reveals a surprisingly complex world of communication, defense, and competition among them. What are the secret lives of plants? They possess sophisticated mechanisms for interacting with their environment and other organisms, showcasing behaviors that resemble social structures. For instance, studies have shown that plants can communicate through volatile organic compounds, which they release when under threat from herbivores. This form of chemical signaling not only alerts neighboring plants to potential dangers, but can also attract natural predators of the herbivores, enhancing community resilience. Why is it crucial to study these behaviors? Understanding plant communication is essential for advancing agricultural practices and enhancing food security. A study published in Nature in 2019 highlighted how mycorrhizal networks, fungal connections between plant roots, facilitate nutrient exchange and chemical signaling, emphasizing the interconnectedness of plant life. Moreover, research indicates that plants can exhibit a form of memory and learning, adapting their responses based on past experiences. As we delve deeper into the secret lives of plants, we uncover vital insights that challenge our perception of plant intelligence and ecosystem dynamics. The language of plants. How do plants communicate? Plants utilize a variety of chemical signals to communicate with one another. One of the most fascinating aspects of plant communication is the emission of volatile organic compounds. These are organic chemicals that plants release into the atmosphere when under threat, such as during an insect attack. What happens when a plant is attacked? For example, when a tomato plant is damaged by caterpillars, it releases specific VOCs that serve two main purposes. They warn neighboring plants of potential danger and attract natural predators of the herbivores. This phenomenon showcases an advanced form of signaling that emphasizes cooperation among plants. Which plants exhibit this behavior? Many studies have documented this behavior across various species, including sagebrush and tobacco. In fact, some plants have been shown to increase their levels of toxins in response to these chemical cues, effectively preparing themselves for potential herbivore attacks. Mycorrhizal networks, the underground internet. One of the most profound forms of plant communication occurs through mycorrhizal networks, interconnected fungal systems that link the roots of different plants. These networks allow for the transfer of water, nutrients, and chemical signals between plants, creating a community of support. How do these networks facilitate communication? Research indicates that these fungal networks can transmit distress signals. For instance, if one plant is suffering from drought, it can send chemical messages through the mycorrhizal network, prompting nearby plants to increase their root growth and prepare for water scarcity. When were these networks discovered? The existence of mycorrhizal networks was first proposed in the 1990s, and subsequent studies have revealed their complexity and significance. Scientists now recognize that these networks play a critical role in ecosystem stability and plant community dynamics. Defense mechanisms, strategies for survival. Plants have evolved a range of defense strategies to protect themselves from herbivores. These defenses can be broadly categorized into physical and chemical mechanisms. What are some examples of physical defenses? Physical defenses include structural features like thorns, spines, and tough fibrous leaves. For example, roses have sharp thorns that deter animals from feeding on them. Additionally, some plants develop tough outer layers that make it difficult for herbivores to access their nutrient-rich tissues. How do chemical defenses work? Chemical defenses often involve the production of secondary metabolites, compounds that are not directly involved in the plant's growth or reproduction, but serve protective functions. Alkaloids, tannins, and phenolics are common secondary metabolites that deter herbivores by being toxic or unpalatable. Which plants are known for their chemical defenses? The tobacco plant is famous for producing nicotine, a potent insecticide, while many oak species produce tannins, which can negatively affect digestion in herbivores. Interestingly, some plants can dynamically alter their chemical defenses in response to specific threats, demonstrating a sophisticated adaptive capability. Plant warfare, competition for resources. How do plants engage in warfare with one another? In addition to defending against herbivores, plants compete for essential resources such as sunlight, water, and nutrients. This competition can escalate into what might be termed plant warfare, characterized by strategies to outcompete neighboring plants. What is allelopathy? Allelopathy is a biological phenomenon where plants release chemicals into the environment to suppress the growth of competitors. This can be a critical survival strategy in densely populated areas. The impact of environmental stressors. Plants often resort to their communication and defense mechanisms when faced with environmental stressors, such as drought, nutrient deficiency, or pest infestations. These responses are critical during vital growth periods, when resources are limited. Why is understanding these responses essential? Gaining insight into how plants react to stressors enables scientists and farmers to develop more effective agricultural practices that can enhance crop resilience and yield. Moreover, understanding these responses can inform conservation efforts by highlighting the importance of maintaining healthy ecosystems. The science of plant intelligence. While plants do not possess a nervous system like animals, they exhibit behaviors that some researchers argue suggest a form of intelligence. Plants are capable of sensing their environment and making adjustments to their growth patterns accordingly. How do plants demonstrate learning? Studies have shown that certain plants, like the Mimosa pudica, sensitive plant, can learn to ignore repeated stimuli. For instance, if a Mimosa pudica is gently touched multiple times without a negative outcome, it may eventually stop responding to the stimulus, indicating a form of memory. What implications does this have for our understanding of intelligence? These findings challenge our definitions of intelligence and cognition, suggesting that learning and memory may not be exclusive to animals. Understanding plant behavior can lead to new perspectives on adaptation and survival strategies across different life forms. The future of plant research. What does the future hold for studies on plant communication and warfare? The future of plant research is promising, with ongoing studies aiming to unravel the complexities of plant interactions. Scientists are utilizing advanced techniques such as genomic sequencing, high-resolution imaging, and ecological modeling to better understand how plants communicate and respond to their environment. Where is this research taking place? This cutting-edge research is being conducted in various institutions worldwide, including universities, botanical gardens, and research centers. Collaborative efforts between ecologists, biologists, and agricultural scientists are essential for advancing our understanding of plant systems. Practical applications and implications. How can this research benefit society? Understanding plant communication and warfare has significant implications for agriculture, forestry, and conservation. Insights into plant interactions can lead to the development of sustainable farming practices that promote biodiversity and reduce reliance on chemical pesticides. What are some specific applications? For example, employing companion planting, where different species are grown together to enhance growth and deter pests, draws directly from understanding plant communication. Additionally, enhancing soil health through mycorrhizal inoculation can improve plant resilience and productivity. Conclusion. Will we ever fully understand the complexity of plant communication? As research continues to evolve, our comprehension of plant communication and interaction will undoubtedly deepen. Plants are not merely passive entities. They actively engage with their environment and each other in complex ways. The insights gained from studying these interactions are crucial not only for scientific advancement, but also for addressing global challenges such as food security and environmental sustainability. Who stands to benefit from these discoveries? Ecologists, farmers, and conservationists can all gain valuable insights from this research, helping to foster healthier ecosystems and promote sustainable practices. By recognizing the intricate lives of plants, we can better appreciate their role in our world and the critical balance of our ecosystems.